How to cancel Linkvertise premium free trial. So hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you can cancel your premium trial of Linkvertise. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure you have an account active on your Linkvertise, and you need to simply go to your account settings, as you can cancel the subscription always for the next payment period, either yearly or monthly. The cancellation is quite simple. So once you go into your account settings, manage your subscription, select your manager of subscription button and follow the instruction from there. However, if you like to delete your Linkvertise account as well, then you can simply follow the following steps. Go to this linkvertise.com website and log into your account, of course, and click on the remove account menu. And once you click on it, proceed to click the remove account button and confirm your actions. So hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.